It's your birthday, happy birthday. I hope you have a good one. When you came here on your birthday, you felt the breath of someone. When the sun shines down and the rain falls down, you will grow up strong and high. They are good for you, they were made for you, like a present from the sky. On your birthday, please remember all the good things that you have done. On your worst days, you forget them. Think of all the bad ones. But when the sun shines